This is a Briggs Stratton Quatro motor, which is different than the Quantum motor. This uses vacuum, and the other Quantum motor uses gravity, which is gravity fed. We created a primer system for this also, which bypasses the original primer system. The original primer system, in all these years, I've never been able to figure out exactly how to fix it if it's not the bulb. If it's a primer bulb, then that's great. But if it's not, there's little tiny springs and little tiny passages inside of it, and there's a one-way valve. And despite what people might say on YouTube, changing the diaphragm does not help. I've put many a diaphragm in these engines, and it doesn't help the primer system at all. So I usually just go and scrounge up a new carburetor off of one of the junkers in the back in our motor graveyard. So I'd like to demonstrate how it works for you. The muffler's cold. The engine's cold. All right, I'll try and start it with the old primer system. It doesn't work. Okay. Now let me use our aftermarket primer system.